Shadow, the absence of light. Midtones, a soft texture of a light. And highlights, a bright or reflective area of a picture. If you can differentiate three tones from your reference, trust me, you have done 50% of your drawing, and the rest 50% after the intro. Today, I use Boostro Graphite pencils. For skin, I always prefer starting with HB pencils. I start with eye area first. I use makeup brushes to blend. Also, you can use tissue paper for blending. To create depth on cheeks, always shade darker part first. I use 4B pencil for the shadow part. In forehead, I use 2B and 4B to create the mid-tone and the shadow part respectively. Now I use 7B in the middle of the lips. For the highlighted parts of the lips, I use kneaded erasers. Kneaded erasers are very flexible. I can give any kind of shapes what I want. Also, to see the hair tutorial, do like, comment and share this video. And comment that you want the hair tutorial too. Please subscribe my channel. To see the eye sketch tutorial of this drawing, I put it in cards. Also, the outline video is there. So watch them and learn the ultimate technique of outlines. And now it's time for the final touch. और एक प्रो टिप मेरी तरफ से कि कभी भी अपनी ड्राइंग को आउटलाइन मत करना, क्योंकि हमारी फेस में कोई एक्सटर्नल आउटलाइन नहीं होती है. सो बहुत ही एमेच्योर लगेगा, कुछ रियलिस्टिक नहीं लगेगा. सो नेवर आउटलाइन योर पोर्ट्रेट्स. सो सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. गुड बाय.